T1, and if everything that plays out, right? So if we get the T1 entry, so if let's say I just got that touch, let's say I got that entry, I'm pulling back into this XA, one small entry, waiting for candles to play out, pull back, T2. That's your second play. Boom. T1, first move, T2, hop 96A, you're done. That's how you can play these harmonics. Beautiful stuff. 15-minute, just as clean, right? T1, you got out. Should have got XA, got your T1 play here. You're out, you took your profit. Then you get your second chance down here. You wait for harmonics to play out. So wait for it to give you your clue. This is playing 15-minute though. You got to get on the 15-minute. So you're playing this on the 15, you let that play out, you get out of this one. This is the zone you're seeing it clear. So you got T1 to T2 on this one. It makes complete sense. Lines up with the 96.8 on the 5-minute. I like it. I like it. So here's your play. 15-minute, 5-minute, harmonic. Take it down to 1 minute. So your 1 minute, get you your entry back around here. 96.4. I don't hate it. So take a look at the harmonic pattern software. Go ahead and take a look at basic. Sign up at harmonictrader.com. Go to the basic members section. Go to free basic. Take a look at Scott Carney's channel. All his social media is on here as well. So you got his Google Plus, or I'm sorry, he has Google Plus, but it's actually his YouTube. So this is the YouTube channel. Go take a look at the YouTube channel when you get a chance. Obviously, my computer is struggling right now, so we're not even going to worry about it. We're going to go to the basic sign up and take a look. Sign up today, get a free account. You'll probably end up buying it because it's worth every penny. So if we're looking at the next price action, let's look at some of these 1 hour price actions and some of the biggest bearish. I'm looking for bullish harmonic. Look at this, playing out beautifully on the 5-minute. So the 5-minute harmonic doing exactly what we wanted to. So that's our zone of entry. Our exit's going to be 96.7. Boom, quick play there, and then you want to watch for the pullback. So you're going to take your profit, maybe take shares, whatever, re-enter down here, go for your type 2. There you go. 5-minute, look beautiful, playing amazing. Take a look. X, YouTube, social media, all that good jazz. Sorry, I gotta balance the old wallet. So we're going long BTC now from this bullish bet on the 5-minute. Running that up to about 96.7 for now. So let this bad boy play out on the 5-minute. Scanning on the other one. So curve, oh, curve is absolutely on fire. So let me take that back. If we're gonna have that big move on Bitcoin for now, pushing up, you got to believe curve's going to be doing just as good. So if you're playing short term, look at that, it's absolutely monster. So anytime Bitcoin up here in this zone can get a bullish harmonic and you can start to play out of it, I mean, you're looking good stuff here. Look at this. So everybody likes to see it right now. Start of the new day, positive for Bitcoin. That's amazing. CRV thinking the same thing, pushing up. Whew. Again, be careful. Daily, not the place to be getting in. Not the place to get in, but it's on fire. It is on fire if you got it. All right, so curve, this Bitcoin's looking nice on that little push up to about 96.7. The S&P 500, it's just the high territory. Shouldn't be playing. Harmonics on the S&P looking obviously bearish as all get up when you're talking about all-time highs. So bullish harmonic, bearish harmonics, bearish harmonics, bearish harmonics. Again, that's S&P stock, so we're jumping back and forth there for a second. Veracity, VRA, bearish harmonics. Careful up here. Everything's blasting, but you gotta be careful. Retracements will be swift, and they make moon boys pay. So if you like it, okay, great. If you like playing on the edge, but I'm saying you should wait for things like this. You should wait for these harmonics to play out on the 4 hours and then look for some of these bullish ones. You're late to the game. I hate to say it, but you are late to the game on some of these. And if you want to play them quick time, okay, got it. Oh, like this one, helium. Again, I don't like helium in any way, shape, or form. I think this is probably one of the crappiest assets to be playing with other than Luna. But, I mean, harmonically speaking, bro, it is amazing right now. If you can get your hands on some of this, it's just going to blast through all these bearish harmonics and it's going to push right up. I mean, come on. That's, what is that? What is that? What is that? 11, 12%? It's like nothing. 20%, like nothing. On helium. That's a nice little play right there. So that's Dece. INJ. I like INJ, except playing in the zone right here. Shouldn't be playing with this. Aggressive. You're gonna break through though. Got breakthrough trader. You love this, I bet. This is the daily. You go to the 4 hour. You probably got areas of confluence. You're already breaking 30 bucks, so this is good looking stuff. INJ is a nice one. Bearish harmonics on helium again. HNT, Zcash. Oh, light. You know what I want to go to? I want to go to Litecoin. I want to get a Litecoin. Litecoin's one of my favorite right now, just because you got things like Fidelity telling people to buy it. So if they're telling grandmas and grandpas on the Fidelity app to go buy Litecoin, you'd be to put some in your wallet. Stock market is all right. So these are just flying. A0 on fire right now. Start of the day up 1%. So these are just don't buy zones. Just come on, man. They're going off. Polkastar, ARB, they're going nuts. So ARB, absolutely on fire right now. Nicely done. Algo, data. Oh my God, they're all too hot. All of these are just overbought. Careful, careful. If you're looking at these, you got to be looking at where they're going to go to. Again, this one's like, so Ocean Protocol is decent. I like how big this one is. This is a big, huge harmonic. Careful again on this one. Maybe see what Lux Algo shows you here, but what you got for Lux? Again, it's telling you too, be careful. Like this short territory. This is profit-taking territory for anybody involved. Your green waves and all that, but you're stretched out, right? This is showing you all these liquidities. Be careful. Be the first one to jump into some of these. Ocean looks decent though on a bigger time frame. Short term, quick. All these are ready to roll over. LDO, that one could run. LDO usually defies harmonic. Yeah, that likes it running. OP, nothing. Again, be careful buying right now. Now's not the time to be going in super heavy. Some of these are just bearish to roll over for type 2 to get ready for bigger moves. Spell, Ave, get this pushing up. Again, this is if you're in, great. If you're not, be careful. Start looking at some of these. I would not want to be caught on the back end of some of these dirty moves. Oh man. SUI, sweet. Touch that one either.
I don't want to touch that bullshit again, you know.
Tezos. Oh, get the jump on that one. Again, bearish. You got bearish harmonics up at the top. What's going on with Bitcoin for a second? We get that run. We're getting that run up here to the 96.7. You're welcome for anybody that got into the trade real quick. All right, so Avalanche. Avalanche not giving me what I want to see way up here. I don't like it. I don't like it. Right, you got hops down there, 47 to 43, right? Bearish moves first. Bullish moves waiting, right? This is going to give you all bullish moves right here, but bearish moves in the cut. Waiting on you. Waiting on you. All right, so Ethereum. Oh, man, look at that. Again, careful with Ethereum. You can run up. You can run up 37.60, 38.700, 37.50, and then all of a sudden this thing turned bearish as all of a sudden. Baby. Okay. Okay. No.
Oh, barely touched it.
Let me get this up. Don't break it.
Look, this was made by a blind person.
It was?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
We got it for free from Lawrence.
Oh.
Do you want to see my duck wand?
I do. So, let me see. All right, here we go. Hold on a second. There we go. Nope. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh,
Recording.
yep. All right, now we are back. Daughter had to show me something impressive. So, look at this move. XA, get a deny. You gotta hold it. Remember, you're down back here. Nothing's failed yet. 5 minute. Thank you. Wait, what are you doing?
Where's the green paint?
All the paints are over there. Okay. So 5 minute banger. Same thing with ETH. You got a bearish harmonic, deep crab. HSI is not giving us any signals yet. So I wouldn't say bearish yet on ETH. You haven't given any signals yet. You can push this up to get these signals. Get your triangle and your circle. Get your dot up here. That'd be good. Square money. Decent. So ETH is looking kind of the opposite of BTC at this point, except that BTC is going to give ETH all the power it needs right now. So I would call this one entries. That's when we were talking about it. And then, I mean, if we're looking now, I wouldn't even hate taking an entry from here to what you got, 3706. Probably won't go back and touch. Maybe wick low. Bitcoin turns. $37. Did I just X that out? No. I'm just losing all my memory. That's all right. Just losing all my memory. That's all. All right. So, what is going on? Am I like holding it down or something? Killing me. Yeah. I can't wait to get the new rig out. So, ETH, I'm thinking you get pullback zone, wick low. You got to get some confirmation here. So, I'm looking at those candles. I gotta save that indicator with those candlestick patterns because I like the candlestick patterns. He does a great job of letting you know significant candlestick patterns that are usually play out pretty well. So I don't see candlestick patterns up here giving me bearish. So until I see a bearish candlestick pattern, I don't have what I see to go short just yet. So bullish looking decent up until that run up and that little pullback. So you got ETH pulling. You got BTC pushing exactly like it should on that 5 minute pattern. That 5 minute bat's crushing right now. Do me a favor, go follow on X, go follow on Instagram, go follow on YouTube, subscribe, hit that bell. Do me a favor. Just do me a favor. Share it. Let a friend of a friend know. Go to the Discord, sign up at the Discord, all the above. Get the signals. Actually, I'm going to pull up Discord and see if there's any bullish signals on the Discord. So can't seem to do it on the computer right away. So let's pull up any crypto positions. Bearish, 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 bearish. I mean, that's it. Hate to be the guy to tell you that this is all bearish news, but be careful. This is the time where bulls are taking profit, and you might get smacked right now. You're taking a look at the charts, Japan's. All right, there we go. So Bitcoin pulling back decent right here. I cannot get to a bullish signal. I have not had a bullish harmonic print on the crypto side. And my God, I'm not even joking. I'm still scrolling. Wow. Everything is a bearish harmonic on the daily. There's nothing bullish as far as harmonics are concerned. I have nothing. Okay, Doge on the daily, got nothing. Let's go back to BTC on this one. This is a little play we had here. No, it wasn't. What the heck did I do with it? Doesn't even matter. Is that on Binance? Yeah. All right. Doge daily bullish. Where are we getting a bullish signal from? Doge USDT? Bullish bad. Yeah, I don't think so. 26? Yeah. No. Doge is not bullish bet anything. Dear God. Yeah. If you're buying Doge, and give you some feedback on Doge, go back in history, right? So if we're looking at Doge, you are at a point of resistance right now. You really don't want to be digging too deep into Doge. So these wicks will tell you that the price volatility from here to here is no joke. So this point right here, you got nothing to buy from 45 to 37 until you can break those. Right? You got your wick bodies, you got your wick tops. That's about the zone. You really need to stop playing around in Doge. All right, so you should have been in earlier than this. People are 4xing right now. All right, so this is a zone that we're right in the middle of. If you can break it, great. If you can't, you're stuck in this sideways back and forth, and maybe until you get to this 50-cent zone. That's a hard number. You're gonna hit 50 cents. That's gonna be a brick wall. I can only imagine we're gonna retrace after 50 cents. Same thing up to 60 and 75 cents. So if you're in Doge right now, congratulations. If you've been in for a while, it's a great time to take profit. If you're just getting into Doge, please don't be an idiot. You're going to be so sad if you keep holding on to Doge right now, and just like everybody else. Well, why is it going up? It took so long. You mean XRP. So anyway, careful with Doge. You got a zone from here to 44 cents, 45 cents, and then you got to run up to a hard 50 cents. But if you're getting it heavy right now, you are gonna be so sad. Now, Doge. So you can see where we're at now. These zones add up. Oh, the God candle. So that wasn't normal, and you're not going to continue to see normal. So we're gonna probably bounce around this zone quite a bit, down to this wick bottom, down to that 37-cent zone. But yeah, give a like, give a follow, give a share. Love it. Appreciate it. Even though I hit Doge as a positive, there's no printing harmonics at all. And like literally, if I go to this, and this is like TIA. So TIA is a nice one. I really like TIA as a project, right? But it's giving me a bearish harmonic, just like it's giving everything else a bearish harmonic right now. So TIA, that USDT, and daily bearish. Look at this. Just bearish harmonics everywhere. So again, you missed the wave for the first run. That's cool because you got a bigger wave coming up, but on a daily basis, you are in really bad territory. So even the 4 hour, look at this, man. This is like perfect. I mean, if you're bearish, this is exactly what you're looking for. You're hoping that you get something that looks as pretty as this right now, and like, oh, this is beautiful. Right now, we're starting to see what we like to see in these. You're getting the candlestick patterns again. Let's pull them up candlestick patterns out again. You got the shooting. Now you got a shooting star, right? They usually react off of these pretty girls. So you got a shooting star. You got engulfing candles everywhere. That's giving you what you need to see. Rejection city at the hop. That was drawn before the stream. So like Tia, if you're looking for a bad one, look here. Look, listen. These are good bad one, like good shorts, right? These are decent shorts to be looking into. You shouldn't be going long on some of these. Harmonics are clear, but I'm looking through the Discord. So if you're short, you're bear, This is exactly what you want to see. If you're a bull, you're really sad about it. But, you know, a lot of the bears, they love this right now. So bears are killing them. Bears are on fires.
A team that is known as the Bears. The Bears.
I can't find a single. All right, let's see if we're playing out this long to 6967. Here we go. So, seems like it's failing, but it's not. Harmonics are pretty good. Yeah, really good. There we go. So, boom. Just, let's go. Let's go. So, 5-minute harmonic playing out. Right here, we're taking 96.4 up to 96.750 and getting out T1. So T1 BTC right now, we're getting out 96.7 from 96.4. Bailout is probably below this wick bottom here. Or I would say for me, my entry, I would be taking break even. So right now, everything's at break even. Stops are at break even. Right on these candles, we got it right on this bad boy here. I think we got on the black back end of this one as it turned red. So this one back end break even is where we're at. Done. Like simplistic trading at its best, baby. Make sure you follow. Make sure you take a look. More info. Teach you how to use these tools. Go to harmonicpatterntrader.com. Go to the Discord. Follow for the signals. You got crypto and you got stocks. We'll jump into a couple of stocks here in a second, but I'm looking to see if I can get a single solitary. Here we go. Bullish harmonic. So CROD USDT. So crypto.com had a decent one not too long ago. Right, had a bullish harmonic, it looked like, kicked off there, and then it just exploded. So that one has been gone for a little while. Let's see, what's that? Crow went nuts, and now it's showing a bearish harami. I don't know. Oh, you got a potential pattern pulling up on the top here for the daily and get you up to about 25 cents. Core. So core. Core, another decent one that just popped off. Again, bearish territory now, but man, just blew the doors. Oh my God, so bearish. Yeah, stay away from that one. That one's so bearish right now. Oh, these were all from weeks ago. That's why. These are all old signals that passed, and they're actually, I'm looking them up now. I hit them. So it hit the daily. One of this pattern print. So Stark was 36 cents when this one showed. November. So, man, this thing is blasting through. So now you're past the hop. So this one's another one. Stark, STRK. It could absolutely rip. So it's blasting through the bearish harmonic, which is good. You know, you don't always want to get out of the zone, but if you're paying attention right here, this is so strong right now. That one is so strong. This one is like defying gravity right now. So this one is one of the ones that you were watching in here. You were getting your harmonic test here in your daily. You went down to your 4-hour, and then you got your bullish move back here. So you get your bullish harmonic on the 4-hour. That's giving you the right zone. So you got in the hop, which played it perfectly at 32 cents. Got in around 36 cents as it broke out. Looked like it was starting to make that way, and then it just kept going. 200-day moving average is that nice thick red line there. And now you're pushing the hell out of this. So you can keep this up. This is looking really good for STRK, Stark. Stark's looking decent. Careful though. You're at a stop point. So Stark is impressive. Now let's take a look at some of the stocks. Big dogs. NVIDIA. NVIDIA on the 4-hour is not bad. Not bad at all. You got play out of the bearish ABCD. Bearish deep crab. I don't think I hate, but so you are getting a bearish, like that's a bearish signal here for NVIDIA. Obviously, you don't want to play here. You're thinking more like 131. or you're waiting for your bullish confirmation dot. So Nvidia, not bad on the 4 hour. You're getting a bullish hammer on the daily. So I mean, the daily, you could run Nvidia back and it not be weird. From here, XA back, T1, back up to around the hop area, boom, and then back to T2. So you got a $20, 120 entry back on this back 120 zone. But if you wanted to play short-term long, you could play short-term long 150. That's not bad at all with the hammer. Deep crab completing the T1, bouncing off of it really good. That's not a bad play at all. Let's see here. There you go. There's your 9.7. 9752. Let's go. Let's go.
He starts to come and then he pulls out.
That one looks pretty good. Streamers. The guys trading, the ones that got in right now from 96.5, 96.450, and they're getting out at 96.750, and they're going to take a little profit on the day. And they got their first big win in a while. Got Nvidia. There we go. So Nvidia on the daily. So zoom out to the 4 hour, how that's playing out. Then you got Microsoft. What do you do with this? In the middle of the zone, I really don't want to play with it. It's super strong last couple of days. Look at that playing. Oh, let's go. Blasting through the 1 minute, shooting stars. I like it. I like it. So moving back to the big boys. Microsoft in the middle of the zone. Careful. Not the place I'd be wanting to go in on it. Apple. No. Let's go. Meta. Microsoft. Let's see. Nvidia. Meta. So Meta. You got Meta also up here. It's up here. Careful. Could run up 600 without it being weird, but it's time to stop playing around with Meta. You gotta. It's profit taking zone for a lot of people. It just is. Let's see. It's running. Let's get there. We're about to get this. Pull out. Oh, about to get ready to pull out. And see if this can run up to 7 before getting out of this. So stop loss, trailing stop loss under this candle here. So if you go back and touch this wick, I'm out and take my profit from here to here. That's it. That's your move. So if you get nothing else, you got here to here on a type 1, and we're reacting close to the type 1. You're getting a harami, which is, no wick, immediate turnaround. Don't like it. If any kind of volume's coming through, then this is 5 minutes. We're taking it down to the 1 minute. Obviously, you're going to get the harami again, but our zone is clear, right? If we're back here, our win is, we're coming back to our zone. So our win will be here. Even though we wanted it to be a type 1, we only got to pull back to here. No, this is white paint. This is glow in the dark paint. Indoor, outdoor. Actually, so this could go in the rain.
Tried to put it on the stairs last year.
Don't do that. This is almost profit taking zone right here for your little 5 minute trade, 5 minute harmonic, playing out almost perfectly right now. It could push. I could expect this to push up. I'm expecting that line to be touched one way or another. I got a quick stop out at 700. Second part of the position will be 750. No, 740. So below that, I might get stopped out here on the profit. So I might just take profit here and be done. And I'm 100% okay with that. Take that play and then wait for my back test here. So take your back test and run it back. This is where you want to be at. Nice little win right here. Just take a nice win. Hold up, let me pull up the account. All right, so you got Meta, you got Google, you got Facebook. No, you got Facebook, which is Meta. You got Apple, Microsoft. said APL. APL, Apple, again, zones of inflection, to say the least. We're pushing all-time highs for Apple, and I think this is all-time highs, right? This is not the zone. These are not the zones. You got to be careful. Breakout trading, great, but this is aggressive. You're at a high zone right now. So again, all of the harmonics pointing to rollover. I mean, easily back to 220, 225. It wouldn't be weird. It would make complete sense. Liquidity grabs. You could even, if you really, market maker really wants to play with you, can go back and test 200 and you lose all that. So that's never where you want to be at. So go with the stocks. So Wolf, TeraWolf, another one. Going with Bitcoin, that one's actually pretty decent shape. This one's actually, Coursera was a nice setup. You have a daily dot printing on Coursera, but be careful. Coursera is a nice setup for a long. Could pop. You got earnings ahead. It has been green earnings almost forever. So they have very small surprises, usually 5 million. But if they get a pump, again, good earnings, it could kind of pounce here. And it seems like the zone to bounce. So anywhere between $10, 7 and $10 between here and Coursera means that, 15, 16. So all the courses, maybe they got some hidden news, but yeah, I'd keep my eye on Coursera. That's a good one. Coursera down here on the daily. JD, bullish indicators. I don't really necessarily like it. I don't know. Maybe I do kind of like that one. No, this was not too bad. So that was not terrible. Ulta just exploding. Don't touch it. It's just going on fire right now. So Ulta, even though you missed it, you had a nice bullish Gartley way back here that popped inside. You have the 3 inside candles. You got a nice little handle and go. That's just beautiful. You got to move on from that one though. That was a little too late for that one. SoFi, again, look how extended these are. Here we go. This is a little better. This is an Aurora Cannabis, so if anything is legalized cannabis-wise, they just had bad earnings, so be careful. Bad earnings right there, but you got an opportunity to flop up. Sharp, TGT, Target. Oh, look at that gap. So worst case scenario, Target, you even fill the gap. So earnings were terrible on Target, but you're gonna, Jesus. But you got to make sure you want. No, damn it, boy. Gotta love it. So Target, not bad. I don't hate Target at all. So Target from here to 130 all the way to 140. Target's not bad. So Target on the list too. So if I was going to give one a Target, that's not bad. Target, a decent one. Put that on the old toasty list. Toasty. So Target, that looks decent. So we'll put that one on the list for now. So you got bear signals in the 4 hour, but it's in a zone. Holy hell. So WBA, as far as a stock, they got earnings coming up. They look like they could only go up from this point. GameStop, they finally broke the 25 cent, their 25 buck zone. So GameStop finally out of that $25 zone. Again, engulfing, big bad engulfing candle on that one. After hours also looking bad. So if you're going to play a short, I mean, if you really want to short it, taking a short on GameStop from here to, I'd say here to 25 bucks again is not a bad play. So here, 25 and some change. Not terrible. You maybe wait for that to come back out. You're in the XA, see how that reacts and get a good star. Take that out. Boom. Nano Energy, another Doji. Plug Power. My goodness. Just buy a little bit of this at a time. Just buy a little bit at a time. This thing is gargantuan. One of the largest consumers of helium in the world in upstate New York. And they never have positive earnings, and they're always working on new technology. So when everybody decides to use helium, they're going to have to use these guys. So Another one on the daily, you buy it at $2 and wait for it to go back to whatever the heck it was years ago, 30, 50, 60 bucks. So again, long-term play, plug power. And that short-term play, getting all the bullish signals you need on the daily. You're literally at all-time lows. You've held that area for a while now, so I don't know. Plug power looking like it could be in a zone to take out a little bit of liquidity and stop the bears from, losing, and maybe a little bull time.
Team that is known as the Bears. The Bears.
Not bad. I like plug power on a longer term play. Not bad at all. MP, no. These are on the 4-hour daily. Elf. That's not a bad one. So Elf and Lottery. Bad doji star on the daily. Let's see, Elf on the hourly. Yeah, not looking like a quick buy, but daily, not bad at all. So daily on Elf looks really good. I don't hate it. You got some probably negative continuation candles building up there, but little pieces of Elf. Not terrible. Oh, nope, wrong. Lottery. This is another one I like. The long term. See what happens. Nothing. I don't have any in my wallet. I'll tell you that right now. Let's see. AMC. $4. Look at the gaps all over this thing. So AMC on a daily looks like it could just go absolutely berserk. On the 4-hour, looks like I wouldn't touch it. Looks like it might roll over here. So I don't know if I'd touch AMC. Hold on a second. Let's see. How did we do on that pullback? Oh yeah, got out with a break even. So you got your little win from top to bottom, and now you got another 5-minute pattern pulling off here. So you got your 5-minute. Now you're getting a breakdown of the 5-minute, right? So you got your 15-minute pattern saying that your better entry is probably around the 96,000 area. So if you can get a 96 hold here. You can take another win, right? So you got to take this little dub off. And you were hoping to get to 6, didn't get it, got out, took your dub, got out. Come on. Cool. So there you go. So you got a little backup with the hourly showing you might have something bigger on your hands here. So short term, 15-minute. 15-minute harmonic. I don't hate it from around the zone. I'd be waiting 5 minutes for something to clean up here, but right around this little area right here, might take long. Not bad. But you're waiting for that to clear. You need a bullish clear here with this zone, and you want to go back and test 96.7 again, and again, that's the profit. So I'm not even in yet. I wouldn't even think about going in. I took in my win here, so I took out my stop loss. I didn't go break even. I went above that. This candle still hasn't even closed yet. You still got 3 minutes left on this candle to check this out. So you got 3 minutes, 40 seconds left on the 5-minute candle before any longs can really take place on this one. So 15-minute, this one just printed. It's holding out pretty good on the XA. So I mean, if you're looking 15-minute, you had your type 1, and now maybe this is your entry for your type 2. So your type 2, if you get there, you probably want to bounce here. You want to bounce around this zone, 96 and some change, get your move to 96.5, take profit, get out. You gotta go down to the 5 minutes to see what you got though. Nothing. Be careful. Be careful right here. This isn't exactly where you want to be at. Not terrible, not great. Skimming it though. Right, you need this to close. You still got 3 minutes on this close right here. You need some signals on the bottom on the 5 minute before you can push the 15. But then you got your 15 minutes. You got a lot of time on the 15 minutes. So I would expect something around this back end. That was a huge candle. Huge little flush right there for the 15 minute. You gotta wait for that resolve, kind of even out a little bit. Unless you get a V shape, I'm not playing V shapes. So I don't really like to play those aggressive moves. I like that one harmonic that played out. It gave me what I needed down here. Gave me bullish hammers. Gave me a bullish engulfing. And then I had some confluence down here at that 96.3 area. Okay, boom. Take my quick love for the day. And you just beat the market 2x, right? 3x, 4x, 5x. Stop being 10, 20, 30x. If you want to do 10x, great. You better be aggressive with it. Better understand where your SMAs are at. 200-day moving averages, what they are, why they're important. Pay attention. Should be a lot thicker. That's what she said. All right, so clean it up. That's your 200-day moving average. You take that back, and that's usually pretty relevant across every single time frame. So let's run that back to the 15. 200-day. If you can get that, that's pretty good right there. You'd be happy with that setup. Wait for that to clear though. Let that clear the 96. Let this clear the 96 here and give you a nice bullish candle or something to hold that. Something to hold that 96 from this dirty little candle right here. If you can hold that from the 96 up and back, let's say you did something similar. I'd take type 2. Harmonics, everything you need to see. You go back, you take a look at harmonic pattern collection. This guy's stuff is amazing. So sign up for free. Go get a free membership. Reach out to Scott Carney. Take a look at the Discord. But I also am running a lot of this in the Discord. The beta Discord right now, we're talking small trades, quick time frames for the 15 minute for BTC and the 5 minute. So I got a nice 5 minute bullish bat in the zone right now. So weekend trading, low volume, quick liquidity, volume makers, AI, market makers being involved. This is easy stuff right here. So we're pushing back to the 200 EMA. We rejected it hard, I mean heavy, right? Really hard. But then you got a quick move back on this T2. So I got a T2 back on this 15 minute that I like right now. So we'll take that back to the 200-day moving average, maybe even back to this zone here. But today's beautiful. Looks good. Looks good. mRNA. These are some stocks. So finishing off with some stocks. Oh, wow. TK Tokyo Lifestyle. That's going on the radar. So that's actually pretty nice looking. There's a shooting star on the daily, which is definitely negative. I don't like that at all. But I do like the whole setup. Bat, bullish bat, big gap above it. Smaller time frames. Drill down, not entry points, right? I don't like the entry point right this second. I need it to react, but I'm waiting, like I'm watching this. These are ones you watch. You put on the wait list, you look at them, you see some news, you got a split coming up on the, oh, it already happened on the 15th, so today obviously taking a big ton. Just quick moves, right? This one, T1, back to 4, all the way back up, 460. That's the one you're looking at right there. Quick pullback move. Let's see BTC. Let's see BTC. Nothing. All right, so this is another one. Yeah, connection's trash. I'll admit it right now. Connection's super choppy. That's going to change tonight. I'll do another one maybe tomorrow. Upgrading into the big rig, but yeah, I can understand everything's super choppy right now. Micro SMCI, put that on the list. That's beautiful. So that one's not terrible at all. I kind of like that one. SMCI on the daily had good earnings. They had a split. I don't hate it. So 32 bucks running up to 60. I mean, this is a nice little double right here. That's crazy. That sucks. That sucks. I need to get that checked out. All right, so BTC looking good. SMCI, I like that. I do like that one though. That was not bad at all. Restaurant brands, nah. Cleveland Cliffs, huge harmonic here. I don't like that. I don't hate that at all. That one's be careful. You can get smoked with this bad boy. This is $12. Yeah. So we're talking humongous shark, double bullish divergence, I believe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, well no, it's not bullish divergence there. No. No bullish divergence, but you have what you need. You're starting to get signals. You need to get some kind of indicators on the daily. But as far as the weekly's giving bearish. So even though it looks good as like a nice M shape, it's not giving me any bullish indicators. Matter of fact, getting all bearish indicators. So it looks good as far as a setup, but when you dig in on this one, good God, this one is, there's no bullish indicators at all on this one.
Fancy, what the hell?
That one's not exactly what we're looking for, so we'll figure it out. But it look, that's what we want. Them big M shapes, them entry points. Again, look at this one, punk. Same thing. So Prudential Public Limited. This one looks like you should be able to jump in on this bad boy. They're getting a little bullish divergence. This one's not bad. This one's not bad. So Puke. I don't know if I like the name of it, but yeah, that's Puke. But yeah. So this one, not my favorite, except printing. Right? It's printing daily. Nice setup. 4 hour, nothing. Just sitting completely still. So got to watch out for Prudential. So keep an eye out for this bad boy. Charge point. Another bullish harmonic. So nice bullish harmonic on charge point too. So CHPT. Woo. So this is what I'm looking for. So this is kind of along the same lines of what you're looking to see. Harmonics, we want the dots and you want a type 2. That's not, it's not bad. It's not bad. You get a little excited.
He starts to come and then he pulls out.
But listen, this one, you know, get the tears.
Really makes you want to shed the tears.
Cheers.
This one just needs to break out. So charge point, waiting, set to go. I'm sure Elon not really trying to let these dudes get loose right now. But if Elon goes nuts and Tesla goes nuts, I can imagine charge point being at a nice point. So charge point, I'll put that on the list just because it's got a nice harmonic with the failing dots in the zone. So here to type 1. So if I was going to take one, I'm going to actually look at this Monday. But I'm looking in the zone. If we get a reaction here, back test the AXA, and then push off, and then maybe get another entry in the zone to T2. T2 and then done. Let's say not even all the way up. T2, $2. So take that 122 to $2 after the T1. Man, they're not bad. I don't hate that at all. So if you can hold out, have a little bit of patience on that bad boy, that one might be pretty good. Take a close look at it though, because it gets smashed on. I like this one. I like this one. So charge point, put that on the list. Oh, Wolf, there's another one. So another bullish harmonic Wolf. So Wolf is looking sick. WOLF. So you have the dots, and you look like,
damn, son, where'd you find this?
I like this one. So this has got the bullish.
Look like a sauna, you know. I like it a lot.
Bullish deep crab. The dot inside the hop. BTC goes crazy, or BTC does anything. Oh, this is looking nice right here. BTC does anything, you can expect Wolf to go to $25. That's a double or triple. And not a daily. Good God. So decent setup on Wolf. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh my God. So Wolf, I like that one. So putting that on the list. BIB. Another, oh my God, Biogen. So Biogen, bullish harmonics like crazy. You're gonna need this to play out a little bit better. You got 159 to push above that though. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all. So BIB, that'll probably go on the list. That's a type 1. That one just printed bullish. Biogen, Boeing. So Boeing didn't exactly go up all the way where we had it projected to, but it did go up when we did. So it failed right at the top of this T1. So pulled in T2 harmonic. So this was just engulfing. Were we trying to go short here? I don't remember this play. But I do know that you got a ton of bullish harmonics on the daily. Boeing looking like it's probably not going to go anywhere. So Boeing's another decent setup on the daily. I don't hate it. Boeing on the daily. Bullish sharks. Not bad. So Boeing, adding that to the old scalp list for Monday. Roblox, nope. Visa, nope. So you want to get these bullish harmonic. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. See, I want to get to the ones where they, I like the little bit.
That's a lot of money. I don't want to lose it.
I always like to preserve my money. So these are lower risk areas. Look at these freaking zones. My God. So this is the weekly on this one. This one might take a while, but this is Nestle. So Nestle, when chocolate comes back around and the holidays, and they're probably gonna sound a big deal. So this isn't a terrible zone. I need to see something happen though. But these are pretty looking zones. I don't hate these at all. This one. So this one already played out. That was down. Legend already. All right, we got another zone. We got the XA is bouncing off the hop right here. So Legends, biotech. So anything biotech right now seems to be a bomb. So that's pretty good if you get the biotechs. Love Boeing long term. Tidewater. So Tidewater looking lovely. Let's go. So this one, I don't hate this one at all. Oh my God! I don't hate this one at all. The Tidewater TDW on the daily, bullish bat, 2 bullish bats, and low risk area down at the bottom on the 4-hour. No bullish divergence. Yeah, you got some bullish divergence on the back end. So you got a little bullish divergence back here. So you get some sweeps. You get your sweep down, and you got your sweep up down here. Getting out of the zone. You're oversold like a son of a... So you're way too high up on that one, but I don't mind Tidewater long term. Like that one. That's a big move right there. That's a huge move. So that's double. If you could get to the top of that harmonic, might take a little while though. Love Boeing long term. Looks huge. MasterCard, nope. Look how high these things are. So oversold. Again, Johnson & Johnson. So you're back inside the XA on this one, and you have a bullish harmonic ready to print on the daily. So I'd be careful for it to pull back and actually go back into this XA zone. But Johnson & Johnson is not a bad one at all. 4-hour and the daily. So you got the alt bat. You got the alternate bat zone. You're up into that T1, so you got to be careful up into this T1 no man land. So I'd probably, if we're looking into it, go into a smaller time frame or something like that to get into. If I like Johnson & Johnson, I don't like, this is all bearish for me. I don't like the bearish, but I like this here. I do like the longer term trend switching direction a little bit. So you got that little U back, you got your pull, and then you're starting to get some bullish harmonics here on the daily. So you got a bullish harmonic back at the hop, clearing out 154. Don't hate it. Don't hate it at all. JJ, nope. DraftKings, nope. Oh my God, we called, wait, let's go back for a second. It looks like we called DraftKings a while ago, and like as it was, that's exactly what it did. So we called DraftKings saying that this was a zone of resistance at 39. It blasted through it, came back right back within that same time frame. So take profit here. Got into a short right about this zone, and then started getting into some plays around 29, 30. And it has been chop city ever since. And it's just on the path to, or we say 60, which I'm sure is a zone of inflection back. It is. So looking at the weekly on DraftKings, that's what it was. So weekly way back in June, and it's just trajectory right now. It's just making trajectory up to 52, and then you'll bounce around that top zone, 65, and then your all-time high back at 74. That looks good. So DraftKings for a long-term play, not terrible. Not terrible at all. I like to see it. Not bad. DraftKings. Oh, so laggy. I'm gonna fix all that. Don't you worry. BASX. No. No. Monster. No. I don't like it. You do got your dot on Monster. I do like that. I do like how it has the dot. Trump Media Production. So Trump Media Group. Let's see. Shooting Star Daily. Okay. So I don't hate Trump Media Group on the daily. I'm gonna look at it from Lux Algo real quick. So under a 4-hour Lux Algo, you're getting the long signal down here for the 4-hour. We got liquidity behind us. I don't know. Lux Algo's telling us we should go long on Trump Media for the 4-hour. We want the confirmation here. We got our plus here. I don't hate this one at all. So let me take a look at Trump Media. So if Trump Media continues to explode up, run up, could switch that over to green and push. So yeah, keep an eye out. Trump Media Group. Let's see. I pushed it back here. So listen, I don't hate it at all. We're up below the red cloud, so we're definitely below the cloud on this one. You get bearish divergence, but it's telling you to clear out for bears. So if you're a bear, I don't know, I guess you get kind of like this one. This one's starting to get into that zone where you could turn around for any bulls playing this one. So decent play. Decent play. You got a lot of liquidity below you. But 4-hour looks like you could be turning a corner here and it could explode. Got bearish divergence on the hourly. But you're getting long signals from these, so let's see if these get harmonics. No signals on the hourly, except bullish. And you got bullish signals on the hourly. You're getting above the 50. Okay. All right, you got that push back there. I don't hate it. 96. All right, so you're getting your clear here. Here's your clear on Bitcoin. All right, so here you go. All right, so anybody looking to go long, 15-minute harmonics playing out. It's going past, so I'm seeing entries. Hold on one second. Let me get out my T2. So you got your T2 on the 15-minute. All right, let me go long. Give me 1 second. All right. So stacking small longs. Still small long. All right, so 5-minute. All right, so now we're getting what we see. 5-minute, we get the hammer producing, and now this is our zone right here. Here we go. So 15-minute, 5-minute harmonic, 15-minute type 2. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see how this plays out. For Bitcoin, you're above the zone. You're getting your indicators down here for amplified RSI, HSI. I like it. I like this one. So I'm not sure if we'll go back and touch the zone, but I got another entry down here, a bigger entry. If we can get to the top of the zone at like 96 flat. I'm waiting for this candle to close on the 15 minutes, still 10 full minutes on that. I don't expect that to be done. And then at 5-minute, it lines up almost perfectly. So bigger entries right here, 96 flat, 96.1. So price action on Bitcoin, 96.1 in this area for the 5 minutes. So you got 3 minutes on the 5-minute. You got your harmonics printing. So you got a bullish bat. HSI is low. RSI is low. Rebound territory right here. So this is what we want right here. Bullish as hell. Bullish as hell. So now let's take a look. What do we got? There it is. That's what I'm talking about right there. So we got a nice little pickup right off that 96. So I'm talking about a little influx, nothing crazy. All right, let's go down to Lux real quick. Take a look at this oscillator. I like this little oscillator down at the bottom. So you're getting short territory on the 5-minute and the 15-minute on Lux. Both of them saying the 95.7 is closer to an entry. Don't hate it. So Lux, and then you got your harmonics. Everybody saying 96 is where it's at. DJT. Hold on, let me scan some of these again. Get a little extra. Hold on. Oh, that's Rollover City. So TJ Maxx, is that what that is? I don't know what that is. TJX. So whatever TJX is, Rollover City on the daily. That's terrible. Cody. That's looking bullish as all hell. So COTI, COTY, that looks super bullish. I like that a lot. COTI. Let's go back to Bitcoin. All right, so we got a nice little pop off right there. I like that one.
I like you a lot.
All right, so quick bounce. Quick bounce on the T1. I might even say I don't like how this is coming out so small. So I'm going to say longs, staying short here, but I'm thinking T1 is back out where we were at because we couldn't get there before. So my play for here is this one. So BTC. Come on, push. Push, baby. Come on, baby. So COTY, I like that one for the daily. That's on the stock level. I don't hate it at all. MLTG, not a fan of it down there. Gold, Pepsi. Oh man, come on. You're gonna bet against Pepsi? No harmonics though. So you got no harmonics down here. Just kidding. Huge harmonics. So Pepsi looks pretty dang good. Pepsi hit the hop, bounced off of it. What's it doing after hours? Extended hours, it looks just as violent right now. So you got between here and 165. That's pretty bullish. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. So Pepsi's one of those right now. Put that on the list. Ralph Lauren, oversold. Google. It looks like it should be a positive right now. On a 4-hour maybe? Wow, look at that absolute dog candle. You fight back to 200-day moving average. I don't hate Google for a long next week. There you go. On the 1 hour and the 4 hour, you're getting what you're looking for. Oh, you got a dot. Oh no, the dot. Careful.
Monster kill.
Maybe not. So that one might be reloading for a move back down. Be careful around Googs. Be careful around Googs. C3I. This is one of my favorites. This one pushed up and now it's getting back that resistance. So this is that resistance. Careful. Careful buying here. Oh my God, you're getting all kinds of bearish harmonics here too, so be careful. All right, we're getting a reaction, baby. Let's go. So we got a nice little reaction right there from BTC down at the bottom. Pull that back up, and hopefully that pulls in. So we only got a limited entry. We didn't get all the way down to the 5-minute entry, but I got a close entry, so I'm good now. So my entry is looking from here to, and it's the 15, still playing out for 3 minutes on the 15 minutes to be a bearish play. So shit, if I got in my last couple where they started printing, I'm playing here to the T1. So I'm playing T1 up. That's it. That's what we got. We got T1. We didn't get the T2. Playing this bat on the 5-minute and on the 15-minute T2. So T2 on the 15-minute is right at 96.7. So right at about that zone right here, I'm getting out for the day. I should say getting out for this trade because I got the T1 play out. I got the rollover, and now I got a nice little zone hold right here, right at the XA. With, I don't know if that's bullish divergence or not, but it's close enough for me. Like what I see. Don't hate it. Don't hate it. We want that play to hit right up at the 6-7 and be done. Go up to 6-7 and could run that back on the pullback. That'd be sick. So pull that in, run up to 6-7, be done on the type 2. Again, take a look at harmonic pattern trading. This guy has this set up for free. Scott Carney's amazing. He is a sensei. Follow the channel, go to the YouTube, all that good jazz. But this harmonic pattern stuff is incredible. Played with Lux Algo. It gives you similar indicators, right? So this is short. Kind of have to jump the gun on these a little bit. I'm not a big fan of them. So when I got to get the short game going, I can't trust I like my algos. Pulling back on the 15 to scare you out. So Pfizer, I don't hate Pfizer at all on the daily, only because you have a type 1, type 2 here. So 26 on a type 1. If you're talking Pfizer, you're talking from this point to this point. Boom. 26.90, and then you're done. Right? And then you're going to wait for the pullback. So then you got your type 2. Your type 1 hits, pull back, tinkers around in this area, get back, and then you got type 2. There's your second play right there. Boom. 31, get out. So first bet for Mondays, Pfizer flashes 27 to 29. Then you got to play down here 25, 31. Decent setup. And Bitcoin playing out to that nice little scalp. So I got a nice little scalp going to 96.70. That break evens down here at like 96.1. So if it goes down, I'll be at break even and I'll get out right away because I put my stop loss in when I put these in. So this will play out. That'll be done. I'll try to get a lower entry closer to this one. I got entries down here like 96.65 or 96, almost 96 even. So it's really close on that one. Depending on the feed you got, that's actually a nice setup. If you can run this from here to here on the day, let the algos take over for the night. Don't even get emotional, right? This has nothing to do with emotion. Everything I'm doing right now should be, we called it from here, right? This makes sense. Back to here. This all makes sense. It's technical analysis. You look at this stuff, take your time with it. This is amazing. If you can just get this software to help you predict some of these flows, right? So these are the things that, see, I'm telling you I don't like Lux Algo because it was feeding me that I really shouldn't be in this. Like, you don't want to be in this. This is bad. This is bad. Not really, right? Like, not really. I could be going small long here from here to here, and I don't get that in this view. This is great for deep views, right? I mean, really good. Bearish divergence. This could roll over. Good stuff. But I really want to scalp. I'm a fan of using the harmonics. So pulling in harmonics here. So you still got red, but are we? No, right? This is a decent play. So we are back on this candle. So we're back on this candle. Haven't hit our break even or our stop out yet. They haven't stopped me out yet. So not bad. Not bad. Let that one play out a bit. Scan through another couple. See if we can see some harmonics on something for the stocks for Monday. Skim through almost all the crypto for today. PDD. Oh, wait. That's just what I thought I saw. That is like, oh, goddamn. So I like this one. Type 1.
You can't get me twice, motherfucker.
I like this. So type 1, I like this. Is pretty looking. Not bad at all. So PDD holdings, guessing around $100 here. Not bad. Not bad at all. T1 PDD, they're going to get on the list too. I like that one. That one's a scan through. So this one turned out these. This is running here. You got to pull back. Boom, boom. T1, take your first profit. Come back, test. Get your second run of T2. That's the run right there. That's how I like to see it. You got your dot. That's what you're looking at. That's what I like to see. All right, so PDD. Almost break out. Almost stop out. Was that break even? Yeah. Hold on. Stopped out. Yep, that was out. So that was at break even. That was. Now we want our second entries right here. These are the ones that we really want to get into. So that one, I'm okay taking break even. It might even break even and take off on me. That's fine. Missed that one. But let's see if I can get in at 96 again. So 96 on a push up. on a 5 minute, and then you got a 15 minute T2. So I like this on a T2, 15 minute 96. Anything under 96, you hold until 95, 95.9, and then get out. Quick stop loss, or I mean, quick. Easy, but man, it'd be nice if this played out. I might not even get a second entry on this. If we can't get back to 96, I'm actually out on this trade, so I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that because I don't want to chase it. If I do get some kind of confluence, though, and we get like some volume, yeah, I might push that back up. It's pushing down to 96. I like to see it, 96, 183. This is decent, though, PDD. Chevron, nope, oversold for the 4 hour and the daily. Apple, all-time highs, be careful. Uber, bullish patterns already printed. Bank of America, stop playing, all-time highs. Ford, okay, Ford decent, $11. Decent area to get back and retest the zone up at 14. Okay, no problem. Nah, I don't like it on a quick view entry, but this is, all right, it's not bad. Not terrible. Nova, oh man, is Nova doing what Nova does? So Nova Disc is in a zone at 106. I mean, you got some decent upside anywhere from 16 to 18%. So Nova Disc, yep, look at there. Beautiful. I like that one too. That one looks pretty good.
like you a lot.
So Nova, N-O-V-O, that's going to get the old tag too. So Nova, beautiful type 1. So this is, again, you're going to play a T1. So T1, Nova, don't get too excited. Make it just technicals, right? You're going to take T1 up to the zone. So T1, that zooms out on the 4 hour. What is that to the daily? So that's almost exactly, right? So T1, boom, 118. And then you're playing the T2. If you can get some love down there, get your T2 return back to the 100 level, 105 level, and you're going back up to 129. If you're going to hold it, buy it, sit on it to 129 for now. This is decent, though. I definitely don't mind this one at all. So that one, you could probably drill this one out. So the nice little 100 on NOVO. I don't hate it. Put that on the old list. Then another one, Veil. That's in the zone, right? You're down here in the zone in the daily. You want to buy low, sell high. So $9, sell to man, Eli. Oh, look at this one. So Eli Lilly is in the zone too. You got the dot on the daily. What's your zones? What do you got here on there? HSI, RSI. You're oversold. You're oversold. This one's actually pretty good. So this one's decent as far as like the quick time zones. I like the quick touch right here. Not bad at all. So we'll see. We'll see if this one can keep going. But on the 4 hour, this one, do it like Diddy, might just keep running. So this one's decent. Keep your eye on Lilly, L-L-Y, Eli Lilly. Just printing some patterns up here. You're starting to get some dots. So again, confirmation, you get the arrow, then you want the dot. The dot is really what you want to try to sell on and buy on. So that's a good look right there. I don't hate Eli Lilly at all. So Eli, hold up. Did we give our push back? Oh, we didn't get our entry. So I still don't have an entry on this one, but it might push back up. Stop me out. That'll suck. So that stopped me out of my little long there, but I was hoping I could get a quick scalp from 96 up. I might not even get a 96 tonight. And again, this is all by pattern. So if I don't get it, I don't get it. You got to go back and wait for these things to happen. You can't push them. You got to be able to see these patterns live time and then make your decision, right? This is a T2. I like this on the 15 minute. My confluence is there. I'm getting my dot. I'll be honest with you. Might be time to take it just on the 15 minute. I like what I see. And if this is going to confirm on the 15 minute dot, I do like that one. That one might mess around and be a bomb too. So if the 15 minute does play out, that could be a bomb right there. That could be a nice little quick trade. T2, 15 minute harmonic, butterfly, and run that up. You're getting the confirmation on the 8 minutes. Hold on. I might actually be going back in on this. Son of a bitch. I didn't want to get a crappy entry like this, but give me a second. Oh boy. All right, let's see if we can get a quick run up here. Nope, closer to here. Not my best entry on what I'm seeing, but I do like it on the 15 minutes. So the 15 minute confirmation is what I'm going off of. So this may take a couple patterns to play out, and I'm 100% okay with that. My stop loss again is going to be a little bit below break even because I got in so late and I'm on a 15-minute pattern. So I may take a couple entries on this. All right, 15-minute entry. It's okay. So 96.330. Holy shit. When is this ever going to do anything? This has been down here forever. October, I feel like they're due to do something. These guys have been down here for so freaking long. What are you doing down here? So I'm not a big fan of how long this thing's been farting around down low, but
Oh, my apologies.
dang, look how long this thing's just been down here. It's hanging out. So that's due, but I wouldn't go in on it. Intuit, it's about the season. So as far as everything's concerned, everybody rolling around to do tax time, this only makes sense as far as statistical and money, and you're getting the dots. So you're getting a lot of confirmation on 4 hour. So 4 hours looking decent. Frog, Jesus, nothing. Oh, it looks so good. Check that. I don't hate it at all. I might eat this one out. So JFrog, there's getting the dot on the daily. MHK, CHP, there's a nice one. So here's a nice one. Corbus Pharmaceuticals. It's in the zone. I mean, it looks decent. It ain't not doing anything down here.
What the fuck was that?
Oh, SHIB is the top mover for the day. Hold on a second. SHIB up 16 points on the day? Oh, SHIB's moving. Oh, SHIB is moving. Let me try to tell you. This thing can run up to here. Be careful up here. Look at that. SHIB is on fire right now. SHIB is on fire right now. SHIB cooking. Well, it's because Bitcoin's cooking. That's why. BTC is cooking. All right. Let's see. So we got in our long. We got in late, but we got in on a call. So 15-minute scrub here. We're going to take a nice little long, see what happens. Now we got everything at break even. So stops at break even. Actually, we're going to take a couple dollar win at stops so that we don't have to worry about if we got these stupid fees. SHIB, again, doing exactly what I told you it would do. Like, be careful. Be careful, be careful. The down can be just as fast as the up, so I'm just saying. All right, so there's a little BTC pulling back, and as soon as that happens, you know that's going to happen to all these. Let me go back to these little stocks real quick and finish the stocks. Amazon, careful. Oh my God, careful. It's up here. Look at that, though. And given all the signals that it could keep going. Woo-hoo. Look at Amazon looking this is so good right now. So be careful you mess around and get stuck in Amazon, but
I don't want to touch that bullshit again, you know?
get caught with it. Invesco QQQ. Nah, it's in the middle of dead man's hand. So Microsoft also looking like Pullback City. Be careful. There we go. We're getting close. All right, so we're hoping for 96.7 250, and then I'll be done for that trade. Microsoft, and I'm not really buying it in the zone on Monday. We got Dex. Good Lord. Perfect short. My God. This one right here. This is perfect short territory. What you want? You would think it's ugly, but it's actually not. Like, this is good looking stuff right here. I like this. So this is exactly what you want on a short. I like this short wise. So DCK. Taking the short, and I'm actually probably going to take the love on this one. So take a short. I'm going to mark that off. That's type 2. You got with the dot at the run up. Look at that. Perfect. So that's amazing. You got Bears bat. Emergent. Meta. Again, Meta's up at the top. Careful. Chipotle. Oh my God, what do you do here? It's almost printing a bearish harmonic, but it hasn't yet. And now it's printing like it's bullish. I would be careful with Chili's. Chili's looks good. Chili's looks good. Come on, big Bitcoin. Can I just get a good trade today? Don't stop me out again, if you don't mind. I'd really appreciate that. But you got the Dow chilly on the 1 hour, so I mean tomorrow, Monday morning rolls around, you can get some after hours trading in. A little bearish, bullish divergence. That'd be nice. That's not bad at all for chilies. Costco, bearish divergence, has been doing that the whole season though. Blackstone, bearish. All of these are shorts. Another short. Almost on a. Oh my God. No. Too low. Snips. Bearish. AMD. We finally got one. So this one, I like this one a lot. So AMD looking pretty decent right here. I don't hate this at all. Earnings around the corner. Just passed up on a bad earnings. You got a bullish bat right here. Good zone at the 130. Held this out of this zone at 130. 4 hour. AMD's going on the list. So AMD's ready to pop. I like that one. AMD's looking good. Another good setup. So this one's going on the list. AMD, be careful. You open up, you have a little back test in the morning of this 130 zone, then you hit T1. That's your first zone. That's where you're taking profit. Then anything else coming back to here, second entries, third entries. Done. You're out. That's non-emotion. You don't care about what else happens. AMD for the next couple days, next couple weeks, that's your play right there. 4 hour and your daily is clear as sin. Don't go crazy. Yeah, it used to be $200-300 back here, right? Yep, that's not your play. Your play is up here. Play is a bullish play. AMD. You got what you need on the bottom here for confluence. You hit your 130 mark. You got entries ready. You're not trying to get in right now. You're trying to get in when it gets there. When it shows up in the morning, boom, done, gone. All right, let's see if we can get this to go. Come on, let's go. Get this to play out tonight before I jump offline. And I like that one. So AMD set up beautifully to do something. I like it up in that zone. I don't like John Willie. That's what she said. Tesla. Whoa, careful. You can see why. It's up here. Like you're getting dots. You're getting bearish harmonics. You're getting all kinds of oversold. Careful, careful. It could do whatever because Donald Trump's on the back end of it. But yeah, weekly, look where you're at. You've hit all your harmonics. Boom. T1. Boom. T2. Done. You're done. Market maker's happy with what he did over the last couple months, the last couple weeks with Tesla. So if he's playing market maker was just January, he was happy into May. He just took his second place in 2024 in April, and now he's about to get out again. So just saying. He didn't acquire that position for no reason. TSM, I like Taiwan Semiconductors. Those look good on a small time frame. I don't want to be doing that up here. You really don't want to be looking harmonics at the top. But, and again, you got the circle too. Be careful. You got the dot on the weekly. So if you're looking at this, I'm not a fan of Taiwan Semiconductors long term. But if we're talking short term, you have the 4 hour. You got a harmonic that's printing out here. That's it. Harmonic with a dot. That's it. Careful. Careful. Playing with fire. Put your dick in the blender. I wouldn't do all that. So Taiwan Semiconductor. Be careful. Be careful. Schmuckers. Oh, look at that. T1 to T2 perfectly on the 4 hour. Executed. Beautiful. Look at that. T1 daily. Boom. T2. Hit the dot. Get out. Shouldn't be emotion. Same thing here. No motions right now. I don't really care if I get stopped out. I do care. I'm lying. I'll be emotional as shit. I always want to put more money in. Oh my God. But I'm going to say I don't. Because I should be non-emotional and I shouldn't care if this is going to go back and touch my line and stop me out like it did back here. But I do. I get care. I'm emotional, but I got a system. So take care of your system. Take care of yourself. We got to pull back here. Might happen. Red candle. Get me stopped out just to get back up to that zone. It's all right. Part of my system. It makes sense. This is where I'm in. This is where I'm out. Now I can surf, right? This is the part of skimming. It's part of scanning. That's amazing. So BCG, nothing. Lift, nothing. Well, I don't know. Let's go back. Lift, maybe. Lift was lift gapped up. Oh, hit that T2. I'm done. Yep, I don't like these. So I'm not a big fan of playing way up here. You're getting bearish dots. These are low reward, high risk zones. Don't play those. Not a big fan. So these are higher. These are better on my list. They're low down. You get the low W. This is too high. Redwire. This is an amazing company. This is one of the only companies that actually is going to do low orbit satellites. So keep those on the list. Redwire. They can't go wrong. They're literally going to change a whole bunch. Serve. My God, when these boys ran up, me and my friend were talking about this whole run. My God, loved it. This one's a nice one. This one's decent on the 5 hour, on 4 hour. There's no 5 hour. 4 hour, I remember this one. So you got the dot. You got it's failing. Not a big fan of how much it's failing, but it is holding. So if we're going to go back and speak historically, it is without a doubt holding this $6 zone and now holding the $8 zone and now holding the $9 zone. So as serve, SEV, SERV, I'm putting on my list as a watch. So if you can hold this zone right here, this $7 zone, you got it to be within your hop. You'll stay within your hop. I would even say if you start to break your hop, you break your hop, that's a bad move for that one. So you break your hop, you're failing. Not a fan. All right, come on, Bitcoin, stop playing with me. All right, boom. I like this one. So serves on the list as T1, completed the T1, coming back for a T2, failed the hop, but is back in the hop. So this one's playing with your emotions. It makes you think that you're stupid and that you don't know what you're doing, but you actually are correct. So this one may stink, but give it time. This shit'll be good. Now let's get this play out. Let's go. Right to 7. Boom. Right to 7. We got our T2. It's looking good. So we got 96,574. We got serve looking amazing. Another one. Look at this. I didn't even print the pattern yet, and it's looking like that. Micron MU 4 hour. 4 hour Micron for 97.95. I like that one too. So we've got no dots on this one just yet, so be careful. But this is looking good. I like Micron U. I don't hate it. So Micron Technologies doesn't have any patterns on the daily, but it does on the 4 hour, which is pretty good. Pretty good here. You got that zone at 97 and 99 holding. You got the dot. So if you can hold this zone right here for MU, this is like nice options level right here. Boom, taking nice options, holding this whole level right here. That $94 to $95, you can get that wick to stick, no homo. Then you can actually do it. So if you can hold, you fall below that zone. Yeah, buddy, not good. But if you can hold it,
No, God!
you can hold it. You will
No,
explode.
God, please, no! No!
That one looks pretty good. I like MU.
No!
FLE, no, not doing it. I think it's probably got all kinds of bullish patterns. Zoom car, seen it. Lulu C, my God, this one is haunting me in my dreams. Saw the run up, was a part of it, and then got dumped on. So I was a part of a victim. CNY, boom. Dell was hitting all-time highs. Do you remember when how Dell was hitting all-time highs every late summer? Couldn't be stopped. Dell was unstoppable. No, Dell's the next button. Boom. Hit the harmonic amazingly, and now guess what it's doing? Another harmonic. So if you're in Dell, sell it. If you're about to buy Dell, sell it. If you have some Dell, sell it. Don't buy Dell right now. Just saying. Just a little bit of a hint. But anyway, I thought that was a hell of a stream. I don't know if we're going to get to my exit point before I jump offline, but I do appreciate all the likes, loves, and support. Please do me a favor. Go like it on YouTube. I want to get the big rig running. This is all the confirmation I needed that this is not going to be possible to run on my freaking top for the most part because the connection, trash.
Is this poop?
Connection.
Is it really poop?
It's killing.
Is it really poop?
Connection was trash.
Is it really? I'm so sorry. Is it poop?
So, I have a backup plan. We can go with it. I might actually put the old big rig into work, and I might have to take a lot off of this one, but it's good to know that we can handle some of the simplistic stuff. We can stream on the road. We can get it done, and the stream moves on. So look at this right here, baby. Let's go. We got our play from here down up. I think I lost that whole position on that one. Coming down on the backside, so it's actually from here up now. No. Gotta fix that. Now we gotta push up to 7. Right, 6, 750 on the 15 minute. No, let's type 2 on the 15 minute. Boom. Oh, look at that, sexy. We got that confirmation of the yellow dot on the 15 minute. As soon as you get that confirmation, it's just feels good to know that you can actually go in on some of these bad boys and there's less stress. This, I would have went in on this and you gotta watch the backwash and all this kind of, the dot, man, I tell you what, the dot on the type 2 is usually less headache, right? Same thing here. You might have failed on both of these, as a matter of fact, but while you're betting on a negative dot. Not all signals get bets, by the way. You know, you have to make sure you pay attention to the more than just your algorithms. So let's see what Lux Algo has to say now. In the same time frame, 15 minute, if it switched green, it's still red. So Lux Algo wouldn't have given me this long right now had I depended on it. It's still saying I should be short and I shouldn't be long, which would be interesting. If this flips long, then all of a sudden this goes from this normal type 2 to this little pocket of liquidity up here at 97. And then we're looking above that. So that would be sweet. We want to see this 96.477 play out. Get back to the harmonic patterns. There we go. Look at them. Sexy. Sexy. So BTC on the 5-minute chart. I like it. That's where I'm at for my scout for the day. All right, I should say scout for now. I'm definitely going to get into another one. Dell. So Dell's done. Bitcoin's done. No, don't be done. Stop it. It's wicked. Not a big fan of what it's doing right now, but I need to let this 15-minute play out. Was there 7 minutes left on the 15? So there's still plenty of time on the 15-minute clock. But you want that run up from here to here with the dot. Your fails at break even, I think I pushed it up just a tad above my break even, so you know I won't be at no gain, but one step at a time. BTC. Then there was the news, AI bots, the DEX screener. There it is. So these fucking tokens, if you go to dexscreener.com, this is where all of the fuckery is. This is where the most ridiculous coins, the things that you got to go buy Solana with. So let me just break it down for some of you people that don't understand what these DEX screeners are. When you go to these, you have to have Solana. You have to have these different base types tokens so that you could buy them. So if you see this one's called CTOAD/Solana, you actually have to have Solana to buy it. So you have to go buy Solana at the price that it's at, right? You're going to overprice. You're going to go over here and buy SOL. All right, you're going to go SOL.USDT. Or USD, because you can buy it on Coinbase, right? You're gonna go buy this for $239 a coin. And you're gonna run this bad boy back over here. You're gonna hook up your wallet. You're gonna come in here and you're gonna buy some chillin' toad. And that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna sit here and buy some chillin' toad. And I can't get any of my harmonics to pop up here. That's not a word. Pop up here, but it doesn't matter. This is where you're gonna get the most ridiculous, stupid, out of control type of gains. It's these DEX screeners. These things are on fire right now. So Toad, I saw Pear was up there, XRP, even though that's not real. They're just making these coins up. Make sure you're looking at liquidity. Make sure you're looking at the market cap for these. If you can't get into these and you can't get out, what's the point? Like if you can't get into a lot of these tokens, what are you doing? So big gainers for the day. They're like 3,000-4,000%. These things are absolutely ridiculous. These are the different chains that they're on. So whether it be Solana, whether it's Ethereum, you can get Ethereum based, but those aren't the ones going crazy right now. The ones that are in Ethereum, and the base is going pretty good, but it's these stupid Solana ones. So like this, let's see, the 1 hour. This is 1 hour change. This is stupid. 5 million%. Yo, my God. Oh my God. So this one has 211% change. This is Pearl. They just printing money. 25,000%. This is absolutely berserk. So let's go to Chill Kitty because that's the one that's got the biggest 700,000 liquidity. Market cap $6 billion. Oh man, you got all these other buys and the sells. You only got 700. That's 24 hours. So this is where you're going to check out all these ridiculous. Like apparently one of the ones right now is Chill Code. I feel like they pay Chill Toad. They pay for some of those just to get put up on those lists. Like they're not trending. This guy Chill Kitty, it's 20-something thousand%. This is absolutely nuts. It's loading like dog shit on my computer. Again, this will be resolved once I get the old big rig running. Nothing. That thing's taking forever. Either way, deck screener is where you're going to check out majority of those.